card climb. She was making sleep puffs. Product. I'm an Ulta girl, y'all. Period.
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like water while you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
What's up, guys? So it's currently Tuesday. It's like 7:20 in the morning, and I'm ready for school. Actually, early, surprisingly. So I'm trying to debate if I want to go in there and do something to my hair for real. But yeah, this is the fit. Bloom, bloom, bloom. You know, something slight. We just going there to get our education. But yeah, that means I will have plenty of time to go to McDonald's. So I'll probably get back to y'all when I get there and stuff. And yeah, my piercings, my third hole is bothering me so much. Not even bothering me, but like, you know, I just really forgot the healing process of the ears piercing. Cause like, they're like irritated, I guess. It's like constantly itching. Like I was messing with it all night when I felt a little crust. And then it's just itching. And it's like that solution don't do nothing. But I'm gonna keep cleaning and trust the process. We're on like week 2. So yeah. Get back to y'all. So I'm trying to get gas in the damn card climb. Like y'all, not too much. It's just cause my mama had it locked. It's my credit card, my MasterCard. So not too much. But y'all see why I'm using it, cause I ain't got no money in my MasterCard. No money on my card. So now I'm just waiting, cause literally I tapped. It said decline. Like embarrassing. Now I'm just waiting for her to take that. And I have to pee so bad, y'all, and why they bathrooms closed? And it has a sign on there, and I still asked, are y'all bathrooms closed? She was like, yeah. Like, I don't know why I didn't pee at school. I'm probably finna go back. Literally, campus is right here. Literally across the street. I can literally walk over there. But I'm probably in like literally have to pee so bad. But I'll get back to y'all.
Yeah, just because we're going around it again.
So,
yeah, I'm sure it sucks for
watching
you.
Love Island.
One that got shit
Taylor
on.
and Aaron arguing part 35,000.
Yeah, no, this shit, I took it out as well.
And I just realized, like, you just gotta do everything for you. I didn't just realize that, but like, I was trying to give people the benefit of the doubt, and I see why I don't. And I rely on myself and everything. Like, I'm about to sit up here and make me a whole new banner. So, I'm gonna show you when I'm done. I'm really gonna just take my time with it. I'm excited. And I might record a video tonight if I don't do the plans I was already supposed to do. And then just recording for the rest of the week. And I'll have a video dropping hopefully by the end of the week.
It will become easier.
And what else?
Hopefully, people that you care about the most see.
I'm finna do a like, I don't know, like story time. I'm about to do my makeup. That's the first and foremost important thing. I'm about to show you how I would do a full face of like makeup of like, you know, if I had to go somewhere where that was the case. So I don't know anything about makeup. I don't know none of like the in-depth stuff. This is probably the most basic makeup routine y'all ever see. So yeah. I want to put my hair back just a little bit more. But I don't want to just stick out like that. And I'm going to also need mascara because I'm a little far from up there. So yeah, that's the other thing I'm going to be doing. It like, usually I'm standing up looking all in the mirror in the front, but like now, sit down. This is the makeup bag. So really, we're gonna dive right in it. These lashes are really pissing me off too because they're not even on for real. But we're about to get into the first step, which is the eyebrows. So, and I'm about to figure out what topic I'm gonna talk about first. So, yeah. I used to see it call and get butterflies.
These days my stomach turn. Root of my problem is a broken heart. But ever since a juvenile I've been lonely and lost. And you know when you met me I didn't do drugs at all. And you threw me off. Oh, you threw me off. Threw me off. My love's all yours. It's all
Y'all, I didn't even prep the eyebrow at all. But this is what we got so far. Okay, y'all hear that background? It's my dad cutting the grass. Sorry about that. But yeah, I did not think about what to talk about. I thought I had a story time, you know, make it a little juicy. So I'm gonna try to think of a story time to tell y'all. Okay, I got a story time, y'all. We're gonna talk about my first, I don't really know how to describe it, but like my first bad like college experience with the dude, I guess, where I was gonna act up at that PWI, but I chose to be the bigger person. I really wish I had a mic right here, though. I'm probably gonna invest in it. These are what the eyebrows are looking like. To apply the NARS foundation and mix my two concealers. So this is freshman year, very much I don't care, never really cared. But long story short, I started liking the first guy I literally met on campus. Not gonna lie, but let me tell y'all, you know the regular college stuff, but I remember exactly how it happened because one of my homegirls knew him. I'm not using any names in here either, but one of my homegirls knew him, and we seen him like the weekend before class started, and I was in the laundry room, and I was like, who was that? And she told me, like, yeah, I know him, blah, blah, blah. And mind you, it's literally like classes haven't even started yet. We had lived in the same building, you know. Me and my roommate had a kind of a close relationship with him and his friends, so we all started hanging out and stuff. And then, you know, we all freshmen, we trying to explore. Nobody was necessarily exactly from there. So we really was just doing a lot of freshman things together, trying new restaurants, going to eat, having game night, movie nights in the dorms and stuff, you know? So I could definitely say they were definitely like my first real like group of friends on college. But it got messy real fast, and I just couldn't tell how messy it was really getting. So yeah, basically started talking to this dude, was literally like with him every day. And yeah, I started catching feelings and stuff, you know, blah, blah, blah. Long story short, he started showing me red flags. So it got toxic like the second week, maybe. Cause what? How long was we talking? Maybe like 3 weeks to a month altogether. I don't know. It was probably longer, but definitely like a few weeks. I was trying to give him the benefit of the doubt. I don't know why. I was acting like he was the only boy on campus. Like, I was literally acting obsessed, and I'm so disappointed in myself. Because he was definitely not worth it. Like, wait. And definitely not even that cute. Give him like a 5 or a 6. But yeah, like I was saying about old buddy, blah, blah, blah. We can do the lips now. Strong red flags. So after that, I started moving funny for real. And something told me, I don't remember exactly how the story goes, but all I know is I took a deep dive and I found what I needed to find. And it's crazy because I think it was like one random morning, like early 5, 6 o'clock in the morning, or either it was like late at night. But yeah, come to find out, he had a girlfriend back in his hometown, which I understand now is completely understandable. Not even understandable, but it makes sense from just all of my experiences in school. But yeah, and then it wasn't just that. He was talking to multiple people on campus, y'all, and like, of course, I was naive and dumb too, but you know, he was telling me like I was the only person he was talking to. He wanted to get in a relationship with me, start getting serious, blah, blah, blah. Mind you, I told y'all we was barely talking for this long. This is like some pink glittery lip gloss that I use. Well, I just started to give it that little pink tone. And we're just gonna light lip gloss. Pinkness too. And then with an Everclear lip gloss for the shiny finishing touch. Yeah, he was talking to like other girls on campus, and I guess he was telling all of us the same thing, because then one of the other girls tried to come to me about it, or at least she was telling mutual people that was telling me, and it was almost came to a point where we was gonna have to throw down or something, because what's really going on? You can have the dude, but running my name through the mud and talking about me, spreading rumors, saying things that aren't true, that's just on a respect level, and that did not go with me, baby. I don't do that. So either you're gonna have to tell me what was said, we're gonna have to talk it out, or I'm just gonna have to beat you up. Like, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, she was bigger than me, you know, thicker than me, taller than me, but oh God, if she tried me, we was gonna have to run. But I ain't gonna lie, that would be my first and last fight, because nah, the story that would have got around was that Asia was fighting over a dude, but it wasn't even that. It's the principle. I didn't do nothing to you. I didn't know you no loyalty. I didn't know he was talking to both of us. He had a whole girlfriend, so why are you even concerned? He ain't you. So yeah, that just made me not like her. And that's not even the only thing. I've come into contact with her multiple times. Like, even when all this was surfacing, she was been talking. Like, they were telling me she was making slick posts, but was claiming she don't like me, but was my #1 fan watching all of my stuff. Hold on. Get into the face. Ooh, this is the lip. Gonna make some videos. We just got some foundation and what's it called? Concealer. No blush, but I want to start getting into blush on the eyebrows. Period. I think I'm starting to like the makeup look more. It's just every time I used to put it on, it used to break out my face. I'm like, oh, but we're not doing it. But you know, it literally looks like my regular face. The point of me telling that story was, don't go into college with a boyfriend or girlfriend. Don't settle for the first person that you find or that is talking to you, right, telling you all the right things when you first get to school. don't let any female or male degrade you of your character, that you step out of character, have you acting out in a place that you know could potentially corrupt your future. So yeah, that literally wasn't even a makeup tutorial. I don't know what that was. Not even like 5 minutes probably, just mostly of me talking. Good morning, guys. It is currently Wednesday. I keep wanting to say Thursday. I don't know why. It's like no sun out. Like, all the views just look bad. We are finna go to the park, do a little, just, you know, chill out there, enjoy nature. The weather is really good, so it's about 10:30 in the morning. And then, of course, I'm gonna walk. And I'm only wearing my Crocs, so I don't plan on doing like a little whole one too. But, you know, it's just to get me started, get me going. And then tomorrow, since I have class in the morning, I'll come home and get on the treadmill. Well, I'm gonna try. But I should. There's no reason I shouldn't. So, yeah, we got things to do today before I go to work at 4. So, let's get it. I might split it up and do some stuff tomorrow just because I know when I come home I have to edit. I want to do some schoolwork so I can have everything done today and tomorrow. And read my book just to stay productive. And then, of course, eat again. All before 4. And I'm already ready. I would just have to change clothes to work. So, yes, I'm going to get back to y'all when I get to the park. What's up, y'all? So, I just got to the park. And we finna, like, go ahead and get to it because I don't want it to get too hot. And right now I'm trying to debate if I want to even keep my jacket on or just go ahead and take it off. Because I know how I get. Like I was saying, before I was really interrupted. Okay, you over there listening to Never Would Have Made It. Period. I'm wide. So it feels good. I'm literally finna just walk, listen to music. Finish this thumbnail I was working on so I can go ahead and upload that video when I get home. I honestly don't know where I'm walking to either, y'all. I'm just following the trails. There's so many different trails. But yeah, we at the park. I'll show y'all my point of views later. And after this, I'm going to head to the stores, hair store, Walgreens. And y'all will just see probably a montage of that. So, see y'all later. Okay, y'all, so just got to the hair store, and this is like the first one I started going to before I started going to Mimi's. So y'all know I was going to Mimi's because it's closer to my house, but I was already on this side of town, and I wanted to see if they had more options, you know, really. A list of everything I need to get, so I need to stick to it. that may be all. So what's up, y'all? What y'all about to witness is me washing my locks. I don't think I've ever done this on my YouTube channel, or at least when I had locks. So yeah, still using the same Cantu products. I don't really use the same shampoos and conditioners. I probably get a different one every time. Haven't really like found one. I know that I love these. Their smell is good, and like the conditioner makes my locks and like scalp so soft and stuff. So yeah. Hair is washed. Locks are literally soaked with water right now. How they look. Freshly washed, no product. We getting that length though. We getting that length. Just showing y'all my bacon cheese bacon ranch fries made by me. You know. My hair is really gonna piss me off. Why are you still wet? But yeah, I'm gonna eat these, watch baddies, then do some homework, edit all that before work. I got about 2 hours before I need to leave to go to work. So yeah, this probably like one of the last times I see y'all until tomorrow. Unless I show y'all a little montage after this. So yeah. Hey, I'm married.
How long did you go?
30 days.
For real?
I think you got it should be on
It's
the
a debit.
receipt. I think
It's still 30 days?
yeah, I think it should be on the receipt. Oh, you talk. You're right.
So I gotta give you a kick.
Free shirts. So y'all, first and foremost, I had just went to financial aid after my class, and they said my refund check should be here like by tomorrow. He said they've been giving them out. They started giving them out all week. So yeah, cause I was like, I know it said I had some because it says it on my account, but I'm like, when am I gonna get it? So I can plan accordingly. Y'all, I did something. I forgot to ask for the Chipotle sauce. I got a bowl this time, y'all. You know, I really should have just left. Because I know I don't eat Chipotle. They was out of chicken. What she said, chicken and beef? I don't know. And of course, steak. Steak ain't nasty. It is the most expensive. And literally, they barely. So what I got is steak. I'm gonna try to mix it for you. The brown rice, lettuce, cheese, corn. I said queso. and sour cream. Spilling it all on the bed. Oh. And it was like healthy. Kinda. Okay, it's actually not bad, y'all. After this, though, I'm gonna go in Target. And I'm gonna go in Ulta, y'all. I'm just gonna walk around, you know, see what they got. And see if it's something that catches my eye. So, no makeup, though, but just like facial products and stuff. So, I do gotta get some out of TJ Maxx, though. My eye mask and my peels. And I'll just see, like, walk around there and see what they got. So, I'll get back to y'all when I'm there. I'm an Ulta girl, y'all. Period. Can't even go on in Ross because I spent way too much money. I'm going home. Okay, what's up, y'all? I just wanted to do a little mini haul of everything that I got from what I just went. I got some hangers. TJ Maxx. I got my gummies, as y'all seen. We're gonna start back. And I got a bigger bottle than last time, so these are the apple cider vinegar. Got some lashes because the two that I brought from the hair store yesterday, I tried one pair on and I did not like them. They were so like fluttery. I got some more mascara, and I think this is the same one that I have now, yellow. And then eye patches, and this one is in with green tea and collagen. I got some little regular cotton shorts. I was really trying to look for stuff to like be comfortable and work out in. Yeah, these sweatpants. They had a large. I wanted them big. It's like a light brown color. Got them for $6. I got this little 2-set biker short thing, black and pink. Really cute. This 2-piece little workout crop top stretchy material thing. But they can also just be, you know, regular undershirts. And then from Ulta, I got the little mist thing. That's so cute. I've been seeing like all of the content creators. And I got it in the scent Pure Lavender. So I'm just gonna see how this. And then I got some lip plumper. It's just from the Ulta Beauty collection itself. Just got the regular clear. So we're gonna see how this works. It's like 2:20 right now. I'm going to do some work, finish up some notes because I have an exam this week. My first test of the semester, and then what else do I have to do? I did my accounting working class today. I think that's it. And I'm about to turn in an assignment. I already did it yesterday. Hey, we good. Because I wanted to be done with all my work by tomorrow because Jayla and Shauna is coming back home. So, yeah. And then I'm going to work. So, this is probably the end of this video. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And, yeah, make sure you look out for the next videos. We're about to get a lot of these random days. Let me know if y'all like these type of videos. And we got some more lit content. coming soon.